Welcome back everyone, thanks for joining me for another video. It's another time lapse of some mixed media artwork that I've created, a little bit different. I mentioned in a recent video, also sorry for Pip snoring in the background, she's right next to me, I'm sure that'll be picking it up. I receive newsletters from a charity that I support called Fauna and Flora International, and they have these animals or birds on the envelopes, and this time it was this toucan or hornbill. I feel like it's a hornbill, but I could be wrong. Let me know what you think it is. It just inspired me. I thought, let's do some mixed media artwork. I'll do a background for it. So this is me kind of putting that together. I'll just let the video roll. You can have a look through. I mention a little bit later on kind of where I'm up to with the process, but I'll let you look through. I'm using a mixture of colouring pencils, felt tips, uni posca pens. I use a fine liner at the end as well. But yeah, let me know what you think and I will catch you in a little bit. Enjoy. So I'm filling in the background at the end here, and I know this is like a typical do not do, I do the background first, but for me a lot of the time I don't know what I want the background to look like. I only know what I just have to kind of start the process and see what I want the background to be. Like I didn't know what colour I wanted, if I was going to stick with like a traditional sky, if I was going to do a bigger kind of outline around the bird at the end, but I ended up going for kind of more of a traditional kind of look because I'd been quite loose with the actual drawing of it and things like that. So I just put in this kind of really nice blue, it's quite a bright blue actually, with the posca as the background. But personally, if you don't know where your process is going to go, I don't see any harm in putting the background in at the end, especially when you're using something like poscas. I think they're quite versatile for that, as much they are quite chunky. Yeah, I could just fill that in. Sometimes it adds to the layering and things like that. You don't want it to look, well, I don't want it to look kind of perfect. I've gone, like I say, for quite a loose style. But yeah, just wanted to mention around that, as I know it's a bit taboo to do it the other way around. So as you can see, I've added in a few highlights on the bird. I'm just going in now with, I don't know if you class it as like a rollerball pen. It's kind of like a gel rollerball, I suppose. And just going in and going over a few little bits and bobs with that. But it's quite handy. It's nice to write with, but it's also nice to do a little overlap. Works well with mixed media too. I think Daniel got me these off Amazon, if I remember rightly. If I find them again, I will link them down below. But yeah, that's what I'm using for this. So coming towards the end now, just doing the final last little bits. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you found it quite relaxing. I find anything to do with nature, books and arts, and literally my three favourite things I've kind of combined in this video. Doing this really supports my mental health. Let me know if that's the same for you, and please like, comment and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. It really helps. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another one soon. Take care, bye.